Hey guys, it's Jason Geiman here with First Choice Services with pressure washing. So I had went from using our reels and the swivel on our reels to actually capping them off on our high pressure hoses. I couldn't keep swivels. The swivels was leaking and they were getting down on my solenoids, so I couldn't keep solenoids. So I actually capped them off here. Well, our hydraulic stores, we actually just got these, I just got these bulkheads, they're from Amazon. Our hydraulic stores didn't have anything like this. I've checked 2 or 3 different hydraulic stores and none of them had them. They had to make a goulage of fittings to make this what I needed. Well, Amazon had them. I think I'll put a link up in there. But these are working awesome. What we do is we put 200 feet of hose, 100-foot section of hose on, and then 2 50-foot sections. So you can go out, roll out to the house, see how much you need. You can either unhook it at 150 or do all 200. Then you disconnect it, connect it down here. My soap and all that is behind it there. That's where my pressure hose will come in, and that way it just makes things a lot easier doing it this way. But these here are a lot better. Like I said, the other ones, I tried welding them in there. That looked like a dog pooped on the thing. I mean, it's still holding up, but it looked pretty awful. So this was a lot nicer and cleaner. So hope this helps you out. Got any questions? Put them down in the comment box. But hope you have a great day. Thanks, bye.